In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Notion with OneNote using Google and Zapier. This integration can help you automate workflows and enhance productivity by bridging the functionalities of two powerful applications. Let's dive right in and take it step by step. First, open up your preferred web browser and type Zapier into the search bar. Zapier is an online platform that allows users to connect various applications to automate workflows, and it's extremely useful for integrating tools you already use. Once the search results load, click on the link to Zapier's homepage. Upon reaching Zapier's site, look for the section that talks about Notion and OneNote integration. You can find this by navigating through the Zapier interface or simply searching for the integration directly on their site. Click the option that says Notion OneNote Integration. This page gives you an overview of how these two apps can work together, outlining the benefits and potential use cases. Next, locate the Integrate for Free button and click on it. Before you proceed, ensure you have both a Notion account and a OneNote account set up, as you'll need them for this integration. Zapier will prompt you to sign up or log in. Opt for Sign Up with Google for a smooth and quick registration process. If you're already logged into your Google account, this step can be completed with just a few clicks. Follow the prompt to click on Continue. This step is crucial as it helps Zapier to identify you and ensure you've opted for the correct integration process. Once your account is recognized, Zapier will present you with some onboarding questions. Here, you can select Project Management or any other category that suits your workflow needs and interests. Now, you'll be asked to choose your company size from a list of options. Selecting the appropriate option helps Zapier customize the integration, so it aligns perfectly with your organizational needs. After this, click Continue and get ready to choose the apps you want to integrate. In this case, make sure both Notion and OneNote are selected. Arriving at the setup phase, you now have the freedom to customize your integration. Here, you can modify triggers or events that initiate the processes between Notion and OneNote. Start by changing an option to set your desired trigger. For example, a new page in Notion could trigger a note creation in OneNote. Then click on Select the event in OneNote. This allows you to specify what action should be taken in OneNote when the trigger in Notion occurs. With this done, continue to choose an event where you'll finalize the action that happens in OneNote. And there you have it. You've successfully combined Notion and OneNote using Zapier, creating a robust workflow that streamlines your tasks and keeps your information seamlessly connected across platforms. With these tools integrated, your organizational and note-taking capabilities can expand significantly, empowering you to manage projects more efficiently. Thank you for following along, and happy automating!